Welcome back. Suppose USA faces difficulties. What will other countries say? Wait a moment. This video is for entertainment purposes only and has no other purpose.
How I'll fight with Russia?
You can't go, brother.
Miss your friend.
This is the best thing ever!
Ah, my friend. In deep shock.
What will I do without you? Don't let your mother alone. No, my son, I'll take care of it. Great, I've been waiting for this.
I'm so shocked.
Thank God.
Truly happy! Yes, finally! Really perfect.
I'm very shocked.
No, we were supposed to do a lot.
We lost the most to do a powerful country.
Totally shocked!
You are my best neighbor. It shouldn't have happened.
You was superpower!
It's unexpected.
I'm crying for you. I was your uncle.
No, my friend, I can't believe that.
Good thing happened with you!
Don't leave your sister alone.
Goodbye, my friend.
This is the worst.
Come back, friend.
How I'll fight with China.
Unbelievable.
Rest in peace.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel and click like to support us.